我叫冯平，是元手作工作室的创始人。我的日常工作主要是古典首饰的复刻和创新，同时我也是一名短视频博主，经常在 B 站、YouTube 等各大网络平台分享传统服饰的相关知识。
冯平, founder of 元手作 Studio, driven by a passion for traditional handmade art and exceptional craftsmanship, she is dedicated to recreating and innovating classical jewelry. Her replicated works include hair accessories from 簪花仕女图 of the Tang Dynasty, the 花束金步摇, a type of ancient Chinese hairpin from the Liaoning Provincial Museum's collection, and the 宝带琉璃灯 in Dream of the Red Chamber. These exquisite pieces have been featured on the Liaoning TV Spring Festival Gala and the CCTV Spring Festival Gala. With expertise in various traditional techniques such as Chinese knot braiding, fabric flower molding, and silk twinning, she creates a series of highly distinctive original jewelry pieces. Since 2023, in order to promote traditional clothing culture to a wider audience, Ms. Feng has been actively updating her content on social media platforms such as TikTok and YouTube. Maintaining a frequency of 3 posts per day, she has successfully accumulated over 10,000 followers to date. To better engage with her international audience, Ms. Feng has also committed to memorizing 20 English words every day. Through this process of English learning, she continues to explore another culture.
您为什么选择了这样一份工作呢？
简单来说，就是因为热爱。
那您的家里人支持您干这个吗？
不是太支持。其实他们更希望我做一些相对于来说比较稳定一些的工作，就是这个年纪了，也不希望我压力太大。但是我还是很喜欢去挑战，喜欢去尝试一些新鲜的事物，学习一些新的知识。
She also mentioned that she has encountered certain challenges, such as differences in communication styles across cultures. She noticed that people from Canada and the United States tend to express themselves more directly, while those from Japan and South Korea often communicate in a more indirect manner. After a period of adaptation, she learned to respect these cultural differences in expression, which ultimately enabled her to effectively introduce traditional Chinese culture to a global audience. In today's fast-paced world, where many are preoccupied with the pursuit of fame and wealth, there are still those who devote their hearts and souls to meticulously crafting each piece of their work, just to draw greater attention to traditional clothing. The inheritance and promotion of traditional culture remain an ongoing endeavor, and it is our hope that more people like Ms. Feng will emerge. Those who strive to know, to preserve, and to share the richness of tradition.